Hallo, hier ist wieder Michael Adams von der Miles & Money in London. Ich habe jetzt zu Gast bei mir den Dr. Hendrik Schloemann von GoldStone Resources. Du bist Director of, you're Director.
That's right, okay. That's right. And I've been with the company for 5 years now.
Okay, and your background is you're a geo.
That's right. I'm a geologist, but you know, as a director, of course, more recently over the last 5-6 years, I've been exposed to all the corporate exposure as well. GoldStone is an AIM-listed exploration junior.
Okay.
We focus exclusively on gold exploration. We focus on Africa, and in Africa we have got operations in 3 countries.
Okay.
That's Ghana, Senegal, and Gabon.
Okay. Is there one main project, or is like all 3 of them are equal?
Well, you know, I find it difficult to prioritize them. There is definitely a more advanced project. That's the Homaso-Akokeri project in Ghana, okay, where we have 600,000 ounces at 1.8 grams a ton from surface down to 200 meters. It's also interesting that this deposit was mined already in 2002 by Ashanti Goldfields when it still belonged to Ashanti Goldfields, and they at this stage mined 40,000 ounces at 3 grams, just over 3 grams a ton. Now, obviously, the permits belong to us. It's a joint venture with a Ghanaian company, and that's our most advanced project.
Okay, and the political situation or the permitting situation in Ghana is how's that? What's your impression?
I think if you would look at a risking list by any consultant, or listing the countries, the 53 African countries, according to its political and security risk, you would find Senegal and Ghana amongst the best and safest 10 countries in the risk profile.
Okay. Mali also used to be on that list, but you never know. Yeah, it's so okay.
Mali has dropped down a little bit, and then the third country of operation, Gabon, is not really heard about much, but I personally consider it as being also very safe, politically safe, and certainly no security risks.
Okay, and the plan for the company is to bring those projects into production, or is it more that you are developing the project to a stage and then selling it to a major?
No, we have no intentions to become a mining company. Our skills are exploration, and we want to stick to what we know best, and we demonstrate this presently because the advanced project that I've been talking about, the Homaso-Akokeri project, we decided to sell. We're going presently through a formalized process of vending it, and we want to use the proceeds of this sale to do exploration on the other permits that we own, of course with a view not to dilute our shareholders.
Okay, talking about dilution, what's the general structure? How many shares are out? What's the market cap?
We have our market cap in pounds is £4.5 million. Okay. We've got 380 million shares outstanding, and we've done 2 fundraisings this year in 2013 under very difficult circumstances. Right. Small fundraisings, of course. Our share price, as much as any other company's share price, is down. So we prefer to do small fundraisings until the share price has been corrected. So we raised $500,000 about 5 months ago, and then £500,000, another £500,000 2 months ago, 6 weeks ago.
Okay, and because you're listed on AIM, probably the majority of your shareholders are institutions?
No, we have a large shareholder in Australia, Unity Mining, a mining company, producing mining company, and they own 30%, and they are, I would call them a cornerstone investor with a strategic view. And then we have private clients here mainly in London, and retail shareholders that account for the remaining shareholding.
So that's very interesting. Thank you very much. The website of the company, if some of my viewers want to take their own research.
Yes, that's before we finish off. There's one thing I would like to add. Sure. I think very exciting from an exploration point of view. If anybody goes to the website, they should look at our Senegal page, where we have this Angola project in which we recently joined ventures with Randgold Resources. Okay. Obviously, everybody knows about Randgold Resources, exploring very successfully and mining in Africa exclusively, well financed, and under the terms of the agreement, they have the aim to find a 3 million ounce gold deposit on our permit at a grade of not less than 3 grams a ton, and they will fund all the exploration up to pre-feasibility, and after this is achieved, they will own 51% in the project, and we will own 49% in the project, which I think is a really good deal for us, because they are a proven explorer in this particular geological environment. And they have, why are they doing this is also interesting. They made a 3 million ounce discovery 25 kilometers from us, but they have a metallurgical challenge. And the only way for them to solve this is to find another 3 million ounces without metallurgical problems, put the two together, and then build a mine. And we're quite excited about this, and they are drilling RC presently. We expect a lot of news flow from this in the coming months.
Okay. So, and the website again? What is
the website is www.goldstoneresources.com.
Perfect, Hendrik. Thank you very much.
Thank you.